My name is Daisy Marlowe, very passionate about what I do.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Work, work. Diamonds all in my ring, player. Gold watches, gold chain, player. 100,000 champagne, player. Yeah, my money insane, player. Yeah, I'm making it rain, player. But I was just on a plane.
Here to talk about dance therapy, kind of my experiences in the past, where I'm experiencing currently with dance therapy, and also where I look at it going in the future. Dance therapy is a non-traditional creative intervention that I use to really connect with the clients. I feel like once you meet the client where they're at that present time, what they're interested in creatively, then you can connect with them, and that's when the therapy begins. The idea behind a therapeutic approach is I wanted to meet the clients where they're at in that moment, experiences they've been through, trials and tribulations, through their struggles. I wanted to do that through a creative approach, which is movement.
'Cause my money long, the quicker you're here, the faster you go.
Hope that you become a part of what I'm doing and really changing mental health, changing the communities. Come join me for dance therapy.
I'm doing mine, 'cause my money long, the quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is
Hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Every time I see you and your brother, y'all always doing positive things, shooting the best videos and everything, man. Y'all